it's Laynie. Let's get ready together. Some of these are my absolute favorite makeup products right now. I've really been loving a very natural complexion, but then adding a real pop of color on the lips because it makes it extra fun, a little bit bold, and I think it looks like you tried way harder than you did. But I will definitely link all these products down below for you guys so you can find out more about them, because these are things I'm reaching for all the time right now. If you love a glow, this next product is something I'm obsessed with. This is by Haley's Beauty. It is an oil serum foundation. It is very lightweight, which I love. It doesn't feel heavy at all, but wow, does it bring youth to my skin, which I am needing now that I'm creeping up towards 40. I cannot wear anything too heavy on my skin or it really ages me. And I promise I will bring you guys more fragrance content soon, but wow, me and makeup are really having a moment again. I've just been enjoying putting on makeup, playing with makeup, and reaching for products and being excited about it. It feels good. I went through a moment where I was kind of just not excited with makeup, but wow, I am back to enjoying putting on my face. It makes me ready to take on the day. Are you guys enjoying makeup again? I hope so. And I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Mwah!